Why does your scanner show the P0729 engine code? What does it mean? P0729 is a diagnostic trouble code for Gear 6 incorrect ratio. This error code indicates a problem with the transmission's ability to shift into or maintain the sixth gear. This means the PCM or TCM has detected a mismatch between expected and actual gear ratio. Under these circumstances, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Transmission control module issues, faulty shift solenoids, speed sensor issues, internal transmission problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Honda Civic, Nissan Altima, and Chevrolet Silverado. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.